I remember the first time I traveled to a country where the cars traveled on the other side of the road. I nearly killed myself just crossing the street. Of course, as we grow up as children, we're told to look the one way, look the other way, look this way again, and then cross safely. The problem is, if the cars are coming from the other side, you can look the wrong way first. And that's exactly what I did. You've got to unlearn this thing that was put into you as a kid and relearn something for a new environment. That's a very simple analogy for where we find ourselves as parents today. We didn't grow up in a digital world. And even if we did have computers and Nokia phones and so on, we didn't grow up with social media and the internet and all-pervasive, always-on computing all around us. And so we don't necessarily have the correct toolkit, the correct skill set. And as parents, we've got to maybe unlearn some of the things we know and relearn them so we can be better parents in a digital world, better digital parents for our children who live immersed in this digital world. I'm really excited to be partnering with the Be in Touch team, with Josh Ramsey and with Jude Fulston of Future Smart Parent, to bring a parenting workshop for you. It's going to be about digital parenting, and we're going to give you 8 specific strategies that you can apply as a digital parent that are practical, immediately implementable in your home to make sure that you improve your digital savviness as a parent and you feel a lot more confident to speak to your children and provide good digital parenting for our children who need to be in the digital world but need to be safer and saner while they are there. So please sign up for the workshop right now and make sure that you reserve your seat to step up and become the best digital parent that you can be.